This is Bhima, India's tallest robot. This is a humanoid robot which can perform various activities. It can actually be programmed by Holo Suit, which is a full body motion tracking suit developed by Holo World. And this is all completely made in India, invented and designed and patented and exported. These type of robots are extremely useful in the entertainment industry, in the education industry, as well as for military and service robotics. So for example, they can be used in uh, to actually tackle in the border various enemy characters. It can also be used to help the Indian soldiers in recovering hostages from various buildings, as well as in identifying and patrolling various dangerous terrains. It is also very useful for telepresence, wherein you can actually assume the form of a robot and go anywhere and talk to the people on that side, and you will be able to see those people and interact with them, and their gestures can actually be repeated here. So these type of robots are actually very useful in the coming years for India as we modernize our forces, and also it is very useful for the teaching purposes in education institutes.
Okay, how is this playing the role in Indian Army as you mentioned? Can you just tell me about that?
Yes, so in the Indian Army there are various types of robots which are being developed. So some of the robots can be used for mine detection, for patrolling, for clearing the determining whether there is any enemy in sight, and it can also be used in combination of drones, wherein the main patrolling is done by the humanoid robot, and it can actually have various drones taking off and doing the surveillance from air and getting charged back from the human robot.
How if in case if normal people wants to buy this, is it possible or?
Absolutely. So we have robots ranging from 20,000 rupees to anywhere from 4 5 crores. And these are all the robots which even now I think many of them are probably already starting to use robotic vacuum cleaners. But these are more higher end things which can also teach them how to build their own robot. So in fact we have a build your own robot program itself, which costs only about 20 25,000 rupees, where a lot of students and universities have already enrolled and are teaching their students how to do how to build their own robot.
So how do you think the future of India is going to be robotics everywhere?
Yes, robots are going to be definitely taking a major role in the future in India, and it is going to become embodied, and especially humanoid robots will actually be very useful in taking care of the patients, and especially in COVID cases for doing nursery and kind of, because then the robots don't need to take all those precautions and wear PPE kits, right? Similarly, for various surgeries and many other places, already robots are being used. Increasingly, they will also be used in education, and they will also be used for sports training, for example.